What's up? This is HD News here. So this is Andrew here. I'm gonna talk about that, that RoboKiller app, that RoboKiller app. It's blocked a couple. Some got through in the recent weeks. One got blocked last night at 8 o'clock in the night, past, and it was like a spam call. So it was like not a good call to answer. We get them a lot at this house, parents' house, and we get the shower and the toilet yesterday at Menards, and had to go to 2:30 or so, 3 to get me to get checked out because I'm having sinus infection, the lungs, the main part, and then upper nose, those here, and then head and throat. So it's like, yeah, it's a bad cough. So usually I get sinuses issues when the weather changes. Up and down. It's gonna be 68 today, and then it's gonna be cold for the rest of the weeks. So we're supposed to get like west wind. So today is pretty good. Got glasses on from a couple weeks ago. On the 8th or 9th, I picked them up. Walmart insurance is pretty good. I had to pay I think $20 yesterday to go to urgent care, and the insurance pays the rest. In the past 2 years or so, Walmart insurance I had to pay a good amount of money. I had to pay not to go, but once I got the bill, I had to pay it a bigger amount. So home insurance is better. That's what they needed. They just need to lower the cost of their asthma medicines. QVAR, uh, the other backup, they're expensive. You could easily pay $100. Certain other medicines, like kind of like ones for going on boats, airplanes, that's like $90 so. It's like last year. I'm sure it's gone up because QVAR went up $4. Of course, 58's up in a month, so that's more to pay out. But at least I'm not paying the 300 or whatever it was, or 200 for the that's for the cat, so I'm good. So I'm fine. Walmart's doing good. We're not making really good bonus probably. We may have one, may not, but we're getting the house ready, and it's about to hit springtime. We haven't not had any tornadoes. It's too cold, too cold. And we need more mild air. We kind of like we need south air, north air, and we don't have it yet, but we will soon. And thunderstorms will appear, and they're likely to happen in the next couple of weeks, but not tornadoes or anything like that. It's not there yet. That's like probably 4 weeks away, and it's too cool in the mornings. During the day, 50 degrees maybe, or 56 the most, 58, 59. It needs to be higher in the 70s and 80s in order to have the chance of a tornado. And you don't want to be around one, because when I was young, I was probably with my parents at their own parents' house, and it's with my mom's parents. By the way, in Dallas, so it's not far away. 10, 20 minutes, you'll be down there. Was a tornado. We were right by a tornado in the whole city, out in Dallas, where my grandpa Johnny lived. And if you don't know, he was a full-blooded Italian, and I'm part Italian and Irish. So I do have a case of hemophilia where your blood's normal. So I got to take clotting treatment every time I get bleed. I'm not joking. Taking my blood up. It's serious. It's passed on to generations. He had it. His daughters carried it, and that's how I had to deal with the rest of my life. Unfortunately, it's expensive here in the United States. So, as you know, Trump just saved us on a lot of money with cell phone carriers, and it's kind of weird to see that Kim Jong, whoever, just say a right flag after like 6, 8 months doing what he was doing, but doesn't guarantee he'll not do it again. And nuclear war we're getting closer to. It's not to talk about, but I don't want no part in it. Nothing. Not good for you. So Easter's coming up. I'll probably be working it like usual. It's only my second time probably in 6 years. Usually I ask for it off the weekend of that week, but parents want me to work it and not schedule myself off, and I have the right to say I don't want to work. But if you're scheduled and you happen to call me, you get a point. And the thing about Walmart is, if you don't call in soon enough, you get 4 points out of 9 to 6 month period. In 9 to 6 month period, you're fired. So that's how Walmart is. To be truthful to you guys, you gotta watch your points because they'll stay on there for 6 months. I'm not joking. Unless they're approved through Cedric, some kind of medical like I had, where they took away the point. I think it was in June last year. Because of a bleed in the throat, and it was a pretty good one. It took like 3,000 units of factors, like 3 small shots. Almost sad how it ran. I'm going to pay like 1,400 of it. But, that's it pretty much. Like and subscribe below. Comment what you think. I mean, we got a lot to do. The pool's got to be teared down. I mean, it collapsed in like 6, 7 months. It's the old pool. I mean, we had it probably since 2000. So I'm guessing. So, nice area in the country. Still have high internet. I have high speed internet, but eventually we'll have data caps because a new wave just put data caps. Everyone apparently. We might be next because we're supposed to be grandfathered in to new wave communications with 100 meg download and 10 upload. So I think their 100 megs only has 300 gigs of data a month. If you go over that 3 months in a row, your service is terminated, or else you have to pay for a higher data package, which is usual. And I've been noticing they've been slowing down my connections to my Mac and phone. Either or, I mean, New Wave's been doing it. Verizon New Wave's been doing it at times, where I can't watch certain videos at that time, and I go back and it works against it. It's kind of weird. So, and we needed then Title II protections for net neutrality because guess what? Now they gently block or slow down, make high speed lanes and slow lanes, and this is something I rather them not do, but they have the right to do it because a GPI just did something illegal anyway a couple months ago, back in December, so they're looking into it. Corruption, most likely. So, the thing, we may not get back. Who knows? But he's in a world of trouble. They find really out what he did. So, thanks for watching.